In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and configure Klarna payments for Woocommerce. If you've been looking to offer your customers flexible payment options, Klarna is a great choice, as it's known for its smooth and user-friendly checkout experience. Let's dive in and get Klarna set up on your Woocommerce store. First, you want to navigate to WordPress.com. You can do this by opening a new browser window or tab and typing in the URL. Once on the home page, you'll need to log into your WordPress account. If you're not already logged in, locate the Login button and click on it. Enter your credentials to proceed to your dashboard. Now that you're in the WordPress dashboard, you'll need to focus on setting up Woocommerce. Look for the Woocommerce option in the left-hand menu. It's usually placed within the first few sections, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Click on Woocommerce to reveal more options and select Settings. This is where you'll be able to access all the relevant settings for your store, including payment setups. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to a new window. Look at the top of your screen for a tab labeled Payments, and click there. This is where all things related to payment settings for your Woocommerce store are managed. Once the Payments tab is open, you'll see another option labeled Payment Providers. Go ahead and click on this as well. In this next step, we're progressing to other payment options. You'll want to scroll through the list of available payment methods. It is here that you'll find alternatives like PayPal, Stripe, and others. However, today our focus is on Klarna. Click on Other Payment Options to discover even more offerings. And there it is, Klarna. Click on Klarna to start the configuration process. You'll be prompted to enter some details and adjust settings according to your business needs. Make sure you fill out all the required fields to ensure Klarna functions correctly with your store. This might include your Klarna API credentials, so you'll want to have them on hand. If you're unsure about any fields or need further assistance, it's a good idea to consult Klarna's documentation or Woocommerce support for guidance. That's it. With these simple steps, Klarna is now configured and ready to offer your customers more flexible payment options. It's a boost for any online store looking to increase sales by offering hassle-free payments. Remember, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Woocommerce store.